Bless Squad, what's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy Blessed Applesauce here, back at Blessed to Invest, here to bless y'all with another video. Today we're here to talk about how much should I invest? How much should I start with? This is a question I usually get a lot from new investors trying to figure out like what they want to do, where they want to go, what direction they want to go in the market, and how much money should I put in. This is a really good question because you don't want to put it all in because you don't want to blow it all and lose it and blow your savings, but you don't want to put too little in that you can't do anything with it. So what I want to do, let y'all young investors know exactly what you should do, how much you should put in. If you're interested in investing, I say put in a very, very small portion of your total income. So let's say you have $10,000. So let me give you an example. So let's say you have $10,000 total that you're interested in investing. What I would do is use maybe like the 10% rule. If you have 10K total that you're interested in investing, only put $1,000 in. Only put $1,000 into your account. So you'll have $9,000 available for later on. The reason why I only want you to put 10%, so let's say you have $500, only put 50. Only do 50. Only 50 bucks. If you have 100K, only do $10,000. The reason why I say that is because for new investors, learning how to invest in the market is very difficult starting out. You have to understand price action, you have to understand the level 2, you have to get a good grasp on your strategy and understand how it works in real market conditions. You have to understand how your emotions play out. And with that, you only want to put 10%. I say 10% of your total money that you're interested in investing, that you have willing to invest, only put that in there. Because my thought process is expect to lose it all. If you put $1,000 in, just expect to lose your first round. Just expect to lose it all. And the reason is you don't know what you're doing. There's so many variables that you don't know what's going on, what you got to do. You may not know where the buy or sell button is. For me personally, when I first got started on my new broker, I put how much, like $500 in. I lost it all in a month. In 30 days, it was completely gone. And my first day of trading, I lost like 25% of it because I didn't know where the keys were on my broker. So what I can give y'all for advice, only put 10% in and really get an understanding of what you're doing with paper trading and how you're going to develop a strategy. Because trading is not a random game where, oh, I feel like this is going to go up, or I feel like this is going to go down, or I feel this company is going to do this and X, Y, Z. I don't know where this stuff is going to go. Nobody knows where this stuff is going. You got 50 analysis trying to say, oh yeah, this is going to the moon. Bitcoin's going to 100K. We still have yet to see 100K Bitcoin. It's still not at 100K. So clearly somebody didn't know what they were talking about. People were saying, oh, Tesla's going skyrocketing into the moon or whatever. Microsoft's the big thing, or Pfizer, where we got this new vaccine or whatever. Nobody knows where or what's going to happen with this market. We might have something crazy go on next week where just the stock market just freezes on us. We don't know. So you have to make sure with that you have a strategy. You have an exit strategy if one of your investments goes wrong. You have an entry, you have a price target where you're going to be targeting. If it gets there, you sell out, because a lot of people don't know how to sell. You don't know how to sell. You're getting in and you're thinking this thing is going to go to the moon. You need structured ideas. You need to check your emotions, relax. I might do a video talking about meditation, how to meditate for the best trading experience. That's a good video idea. That's a good video idea. Make sure you spam the like button. I'm about to do that one. But just make sure you have everything in place. So with 10% of your income, you have an idea of, you just play money. You're just learning. You're just getting accustomed to the market. You're learning how it moves and how it fluctuates. So that's what I definitely recommend for y'all, people interested in getting started in the market. Only invest 10% of your total income that you have put down for investing purposes. And when you're only down 10%, you come back round 2, let's say you happen to lose it all, you come back round 2, you learn exactly what's going on, you have an understanding, you know how your emotions work, and you're not down crazy big with the 9,000, with the example of 10,000, you lose 1,000. With $9,000 left, you now have time to make the 1 grand back. You have $9,000 to make it back. Not saying you put the whole 9,000 in again, but just saying you have enough capital where you're not down that much, and just like, oh, okay, all right, I learned a lot of lessons from this. I learned, I grew, and that's what it's about at the end of the day. That first investment is just about education. That's all it is. Instead of buying a book or buying a course or watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos, you're getting real life experience, what the market is about. And that's what I recommend for y'all. Put the 10% down, get the real life experience in the market. You're going to come out a lot better for that. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you have any other questions, make sure you put them down in the comment section down below. And if you have any video recommendations, any other ideas, make sure you follow me on Instagram or DM me on one of the other Instagram or Twitter if you have any questions for me personally. But that's going to wrap it up. It's me, your boy, Blessed Applesauce. Stay blessed. And I'm going to see y'all next time on Blessed to Invest.